Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today our topic is comparing adjectives. So look at these three persons. First name is Robin, Duncan and Bruce. Bruce. So you can see the height. There are difference between their heights. Okay? As you can see the first person, Robin, he is tall. And if we compare both of these, the height of both of these, Robin and Duncan, so we will say Duncan is taller than Robin. And if we compare the height of three persons, you can see the height of Bruce is more than Duncan. So he is the tallest of these two boys. So Bruce is the tallest of two boys. Between these two boys, okay, Robin is a tall boy, measuring 154 centimeters at the age of 11, and Duncan is 160 centimeters in height. So he is 6 centimeters taller than Robin. And Bruce is 165 centimeters tall. So he is the tallest of the three boys. Okay. Students, if we consider only one boy, okay, you can see no comparison was made. We use the adjectives tall, and this is called the positive degree. And in second picture you can see we compare the height of Duncan with that of one other boy, that is Robin. So we use the word taller. When we compare two persons or things, we use the comparative degree. Okay? And when we compare, now look at the next picture. We compare Bruce with more than one other boy by say that he is the tallest of the three. There are three boys and Bruce is the tallest of the three. Now I hope you understand the comparing adjectives. So now move to our exercise. Okay students, now open your Junior English book, page number 50, exercise 60. Complete these sentences by inserting the correct degree of adjective in brackets. Number 1. This is the dash book in the library. Because this book is the dash in the library. As you know that there are a lot of books in libraries. So this book is the thin. We will use thinnest. So here we will use the superlative degree of thin. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Thinnest is the superlative degree. Because this book is the thinnest in the library, not from two books. Okay, they are talking about the library. Number 2, the church is the dash building in the country. The church is the dash building in the country. They are not talking about city, they are talking about country. Okay, then here the comparison is from the country. So this is the old, older, oldest. We will use the superlative degree, oldest. Francis occupied the dash chair in the lounge. Comfortable, most comfortable. Today's weather is dash than yesterday's. Here you can see the comparison of today's weather and yesterday's weather. So because here the comparison between two weathers, so we will use the second, the comparative degree, bad, worse. So the second degree is worse. Weather reports say it is the dash we have had for 9 years. Bad. worst. Here we will use a superlative degree because they didn't compare two weathers. They just say weather reports say. It is the dash we have had for 9 years. Okay, so Sir James is dash then his brother. Sir James is dash then his brother. You can see the word then. Okay, which means the comparative degree. Here we will use the comparative degree where you can see the word then. Sir James is, there are two persons, Sir James and his brother. So there is a comparison between two persons, Sir James and his brother. So we will use the comparative degree. Generous, more generous. So here we will write more generous. Number 7, Sir Winston Churchill was a dash Englishman in World War. In the bracket there is the word famous. So Sir Winston Churchill was a dash Englishman. Okay, in the World War. So they are talking about World War, not between. So they are talking about, here we will use a superlative degree. Okay, and most famous, most famous. The hotel manager was a dash we had ever met. Polite, most polite. Because here you can see there is no word then. Then is used for comparative degree. Okay, the farmer said this was the dash of the two turkeys. Two. When there is comparison between two persons, two things, two places, or you can see the word then, we will use the comparative degree. So fat, fatter. Undoubtedly this is the dash of the two tennis rackets. Good. And two tennis, there is a comparison between two tennis rackets. So we will use the comparative degree. Better, good, better. Number 11. Pamela is the dash girl in the class. Brilliant, most brilliant, because Pamela is the brilliant in the class. No, okay. So when the two boxers weighed in copper was the dash by 1 kilogram, heavier, because two boxers. Okay. Colin was the dash dancer in the ballroom. Graceful, most graceful, because Colin was the dancer in the ballroom. Okay. Both exercises are difficult, but the second is the dash of the two. Again they are comparison between two exercises, so we will use the more difficult. Okay, this is the dash idea of the year. Most original idea of the year. And it is the dash of the Robinson twins. Prettier, because Annette is the dash of the Robinson's twins. They are talking about, there is a comparison between two twins, two. So prettier. The cottage on the moor was the dash ever built. Crude, most crude. Both Mr. and Mrs. Davies have a car, but his is the dash. Powerful, more powerful, because here is a comparison between Mr. and Mrs. Davies' car. The boy chose the cakes which looked the dash sweet. The boy chose the cakes which looked the dash sweet. Most sweet. Number 20. There are two roads leading to the village. The lower road being the dash one. Narrower, because there are two roads. There is a comparison between two roads. So we will use the comparative degree. Narrower. Okay, now exercise 62. Compare the following adjectives. Number 1, clever, cleverer. Rude, ruder. Noisy, noisier. Jealous, more jealous. Patient, more patient. Wealthy, wealthier. Little, least. Gracious, more gracious. Industrious, more industrious. Good, better. Wide, wider. Cold, colder. Bad, worse. Sturdy, sturdier. Splendid, more splendid. Dirty, dirtier. Faithful, more faithful. Ignorant, more ignorant. Ignorant, thin, thinner. Plucky, pluckier. Students, also complete this exercise and learn it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.